Hi, may we meet you?
Yeah, my name is Raymond and I'm a student at Plugstuck.
What has been your experiences here at Plugstuck during the 8 weeks we are coding 2022 lecture? Let's start with a good experience.
Okay, so far I've had a good experience. I've been up to date with all the teachings, and right now I've known how to design a website using WordPress, and I know how to use the HTML, CSS and W3 CSS so far. So I'll say it has been a very nice experience.
Any bad experience to share?
None so far.
Moving forward, what are you going to do with the skill you've learned here at Plugstuck? The website design and development skill.
Okay, I'm thinking about going to web designing since I'm also studying it now, so that I can use it to make money later on with the skill.
So would you love to continue with us as a trainee, trainer, or as part of the team? And what language would you love to learn?
Yeah, I would love to continue as part of the team, and then I also want to study JavaScript more, so I can know how to be a full front-end developer.
Seeing that in 2023 we're going to be having trainings on apps and Web3 in either Rwanda or Morocco, do you have any recommendations for the trainers so far that we can employ during trainings next year?
None so far.
Thank you, Raymond, for your time.